To open two apps in split screen view using swipe gesture in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable swipe for split screen option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap multi-window. And then tap the gray on offset next to swipe for split screen to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Now, after this option is enabled, you can go to the split screen view by using swipe gesture. To do so, open an app. If you hold your phone in portrait view like this, swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen. You can see that the app is now displayed in split screen view. And then you can open the second app unit. To close the split screen view, tap the back key. However, if you hold your phone in landscape view like this, to view an app in pop-up view by using swipe gesture, open an app. Swipe with two fingers from the side of the screen. You can see that the app is now displayed in split screen view. Now you can open the second app unit. To exit from the split screen view, tap the back key. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.